Managing and planning routes ahead of time can be tricky when using manual processes like paper maps or an off-the-shelf navigation device. Through TN360, Teletrac Navman's AI-powered platform, Journey Planner allows you to create routes with multiple stops via the roads you want to ensure your drivers take, to help you better manage jobs, compliance and contract requirements. When paired with SmartNav Route on the in-vehicle device, your drivers get complete voice-guided turn-by-turn navigation. What you get is a complete solution, ensuring drivers are compliant and on track. If a driver suddenly detours, in case of emergency, roadworks or roadblocks, you'll be notified through real-time alerts. What happens next is unique. Instead of rerouting direct to the destination, the driver is guided safely back to the route to complete the trip as originally planned. Considering some of the tasks transport businesses undertake, from special permit conditions to carrying dangerous goods, it's important that drivers stay on the right track. Here's how it works. Journey Planner allows you to create detailed routes for any type of job your business undertakes. You can add as many stops as you like, from those your driver needs to make to others that act as waypoints. This ensures the journey is completely accurate. The driver is able to select the route with ease from their device in the cabin and get on with the job. Once they're on the road, you can keep an eye on exceptions as they occur, rather than reacting to issues that happen when it's too late. That's not all. As trips are completed, you'll receive detailed reporting and analytics to help build understanding of where you can improve. With TN360 Journey Planner and SmartNav Route, you're getting the best of an AI-based telematics system to stay competitive and look to the future. Get in touch with Teletrac Navman today.